the exit.
M65 roundabout. You are taking the third exit going towards the lower Darwin. So you approach nicely, everything is good. As you were changing your lane, you have already start moving. You have gone through halfway through, then you check your mirrors and signal. Now, did you notice there was a blue car quite close to us behind us? So because he is already start moving, because for his point of view,
We are going straight.
you are going straight. If you would have checked your mirrors and signal and then change your lane, that means that person would have hold back. Now because you didn't, so technically what happened, we made him slow down a little bit, because obviously he was not expecting us to change our lane without any due consideration. That will be a serious fault. You cannot change your lane
Without signaling.
without checking your mirrors and signals.